I was just about to bring up Michael Jackson for the nature versus nurture argument, because his children are nothing like him. One would expect a man's children to bear some, first of all, a physical resemblance. And to also have the same entertaining abilities. But in fact, they have none of that. And that is scientifically proven to be a result entirely of how they were raised. Literally out of the spotlight, given the best education. In the world. As a footnote, I think I should, to the whole discussion, and in dealing with the Jackson, I need to remind you all that race relations in this country are so bad that the white Jacksons don't get along with the black Jacksons. And that is indeed. Yo, that is indeed a pity, yo! That's the 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 pity, yo! Yo, come on, son, you didn't think that was me? You knew in your heart, you're like, that's not that dude! He up there perpetrating a fraud! But you know who else is perpetrating a fraud? Uptown Showdown. I had a totally different fucking expectation of what an Uptown Showdown was gonna be. Back in the day, come on, I saw the Warriors. I expected to see some kind of breakdancing war or something like that, some kind of rap war. I come up here, I see a bunch of white people arguing about where's the best cupcakes. Come on, and then let me tell you something else they did. Let me tell you something else they did when they stacked this against me. They made the black man on the nurture team. That's some bullshit. Because when the police stop me, they're not like, yo, where was you nurtured? I went to Fugelsang Center and then I went to Yale. Get on the ground! They're not worried about my nurture. They're worried about my nature. That's the whole problem with this country. That's why I went there. Because I'm trying to nurture these minds out here. I don't believe that by nature that they feel and they think some kind of special way. I think some people was educated, some people was not educated properly. Am I right? Yeah. She was educated properly. Let me tell you something else about nature versus nurture. And let me tell you what some evidence is for nurture. See this chair right here? It's empty. You know why? Because she threw out her back. You know why? Because she was like, oh, my mama had a good back, my daddy had a good back, I must have a good back. That was not the case. How did Team Nurture spend the day? Pilates class. Bikram yoga. Upside down stretching out my latissimus dorsi and my gluteus maximus, because I was like, I want to nurture my back. At this point, y'all should just resign. Let me show you something else. All the men up here, we wearing some black, right? He got on black, he got on black, he got on black. We're all wearing some kind of black, right? You might think, oh, that's the nature of man, right? Men be wearing black. No. Because you go around New York, everybody wear black. In fact, if you want to know if somebody's out of town, you see some pretty little girl, some pastel color, you're like, go back to Jersey. Because she was nurtured wrong. supply. In New York City, we nurtured by darkness, and so we wear it. That's a fact. I want to talk a little bit about the lack of nurture and what a hole that can leave inside somebody. You know what I'm talking about? Each and every one of us has a hole in ourselves. We got a hole in our feelings, we got a hole in our soul, we got a hole in our mind. Right? Because our parents didn't give us what we needed. Money. We all needed money. Be hugging on me and all that shit. We need money. Donald Trump is president of the United States because he got money. Bernie Sanders, all the soul in the world. He got shit. Had to pressure a bank. Come on now. Nature versus nurture. Nurture versus nature. Nature versus nurture. I'm a teacher. I teach kids. Because that's who needs to learn things. It's the children that need to learn. You can't just leave kids up to their basic nature. You can't just take a kid and just say, okay, go do you. You're 6 years old, cross the West Side Highway. Look inside for your guidance. If you make it, then you really was my son. No, we nurture the child. We walk him to the corner of the street, right? We tell him, okay, you wait for the walk sign. You wait for that, and that's when you walk. And even then, you look both ways because this is New York. And pretty soon there's going to be some kind of immigrant riding a motorized bike the wrong way. And don't get mad at him because that's how he makes his living. He has to do this 5,000 times a day to make $8. We nurture our children. But now we're in crucial times with this new health care plan, where there will be no more nurturing. Nurturing is no longer covered. Breastfeeding is out the window. We can't. That sounded too Cosby-like. Not a minute too soon, because any minute now I was about to be not convicted or something like that.